Hi guys, in this video we talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus versus Oppo Find X7. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. Oppo Find X7 launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $799. The body dimensions: Samsung S24 Plus, height 6.24 inches, width 2.99 inches, thickness 7.7 mm. The Oppo Find X7, height 6.4 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.7 mm. The weight of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 196 gram and the Oppo Find X7 202 gram. The build of these devices: the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Plus come with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x16mm color screen type, and the Oppo Find X7 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 6.7 inches and the Oppo Find X7 come with 6.78 inches. The resolution of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 2K screen resolution and the Oppo Find X7 come with 1.5K screen resolution. The Oppo Find X7 come with 450 ppi density. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 513 ppi density. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120 Hz, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 91.6% screen to body ratio. The Oppo Find X7 come with 91.1% screen to body ratio, and the both devices come with Gorilla Glass 6S2 protection. The Oppo Find X7 come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 2600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 also come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 4K 60fps video. And the front camera of the devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 12 megapixel front camera and 4K 60fps video record with front camera, and the Oppo Find X7 come with 32 megapixel selfie camera and it's record 4K 60fps video. The platform of the devices: the both devices come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the Oppo Find X7 come with MediaTek 9300 4nm chipset. And the GPU: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with Adreno 750 and the Oppo Find X7 come with Motorola G720. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with Android 14 One UI 6.1 operating system. The Oppo Find X7 come with Android 14 ColorOS 14 operating system. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 12GB of RAM and the Oppo Find X7 come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 256GB and 512GB internal storage. The Oppo Find X7 come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both devices. And the battery backup: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 4900 mAh battery. The Oppo Find X7 come with 5000 mAh battery. The Oppo Find X7 come with 100W fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 45W fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 15W wireless charging. The both devices come with 5G network. Commons and feature is same, and the result of these devices: Oppo Find X7 got 23 points and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus got 22 points.